you again.
Nice to see you again. Yes.
Hello, Senior. Welcome to Bösendorfer. Thank you. Thank you for coming for the piano selection.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here again.
Let's go in.
Here at our lumber yard, we are seasoning all solid wood material for up to 5 years. The main wood sorts are spruce, maple, and beech wood. The content of solid wood, and spruce in particular, is the highest in the piano industry and has got an important impact to the unique tonal character of Bösendorfer pianos.
We're going into the mill room department. This is the wood coming from the lumber yard from outside.
The first cutting works are carried out after taking in the solid wood directly from the lumber yard. A meticulous selection and classification regarding the different parts is the highest responsibility of the woodworking masters.
This is used for right. Spruce, same material as the soundboard.
Additional drying is done here at the indoor drying room. The wood material is kept in here for at least 3 months in order to get the required moisture content.
Basically, all solid wood materials are kept inside here.
The cast iron plates for Bösendorfer instruments are supplied by an Austrian foundry and stored outside for at least 3 months.
The 30 and several uprights. Over there we have also a cabin where we do the basic grinding work in order to get a flat surface.
Afterwards, we start machining and fitting the separately cast capo bar.
We are entering the rim and case bending workshop. It's a big workshop.
The wooden subframe construction of a Bösendorfer consists of solid spruce and beech components. These components form a stable network of beams and rim elements connected by ultimately precise wood joints. Together, they build the basis for the unique Bösendorfer resonance case principle.
Both looks massive.
It looks massive, but it sounds also, because that's all spruce.
The determination of the bridge down-bearing measure is one of the most crucial processes within the production and has to be done with utmost precision.
And this can be done only by very precise handwork. No machine could do that.
This slow process guarantees the best possible transmission of string vibration and at the same time provides a maximum flexibility to the soundboard.
Here at this workplace, the outer rim is glued. The outer rim comes to the inner subframe structure.
It consists of solid spruce core material completed by additional layers of beech wood at the inner and outer surface. The bridge notching process is another example of the outstanding craftsmanship skills and capabilities of the Bösendorfer specialists.
And it already operates. You hear already there is a good tension on the soundboard crown and it's ready to get on the strings to vibrate.
The finished cast iron plate is finally laid into the case. Consequently, it is screwed to the subframe and the precisely fit pin block.
And also screws around the outside contour, and later on the capo bar will be mounted also.
For quality and sound reasons, we are making our own bass strings. Bösendorfer craftsmen are using our specific technique when applying the copper wire to the steel core. All Bösendorfer Grand models are equipped with individual loop stringing at tenor and treble sections. Each string has got a handmade loop where it is mounted to the hitch pin. This is one of the features to guarantee ultimate reliability and tuning stability.
I'm coming to the workplace where the action stock is built up onto the keyframe.
Keyboard and action parts assembling is one of the major processes within the manufacturing of a Bösendorfer piano. A perfectly designed and precisely built-up action geometry is essential for the utmost reliable function and touch. The final part of the assembling process is to set up and complete the damper assembly. For the action assembling and regulation of Bösendorfer's upright models, the same level of precision and care is applied as for the grand pianos. After the action assembling, a comprehensive regulation process is carried out. There are more than 5,000 parts working together within the piano action.
Part of the regulation process is also the key leveling, so that all keys are in the same precise level.
A great number of regulation adjustments have to be done. These include a precise weighting for each and every key, next to many other regulation steps.
But it's not yet regulated at this stage.
In order to achieve the best possible regulation and tuning stability, the action is played in with the so-called cramming machine.
Voicing is an absolutely essential work step in the production of a piano, and voicing means to work on the hammers.
By filing and needling the hammers made from natural sheep wool felt, the tonal quality and evenness of all registers need to be defined from pianissimo to fortissimo.
Difficulty of this job is that you don't have any measuring tool. You have to find it out yourself and through your memory and your experience.
For achieving the exclusive ebony high-gloss finish, numerous layers of polyester finish have to be sprayed and carefully dried. Thereafter, a process of multiple sanding and buffing is eventually leading to the piano's popular high-gloss finish.
For instance, also a list model music desk with the cutouts, which is already finished.
Bösendorfer has got a long tradition and know-how in making exclusive special models and customized finishes. The most exclusive veneers are worked with, and multiple projects in cooperation with renowned designers and architects around the world have been realized over the years.
And in this case it will be a special model like the Camellia model.
Any customer is offered the possibility to select an instrument at the factory's selection center in Wiener Neustadt.
One is very nice. I really like the softness of the very, very round and very, very warm, which is something people usually associate with the Bösendorfer, right?
Of a sound, yes. Yeah.
By offering the selection possibility, we make sure our customers to be finding the best individual match of an instrument possible.
Maybe you try the same piece on the other one.
Every piano has got its own character, but always represents the Bösendorfer philosophy. An utmost colorful, warm and highly dynamic tonal character. After more than 1 year in production, eventually the instrument is going to be delivered from the factory in Wiener Neustadt to any place on the globe to represent the Viennese Bösendorfer sound.